What's good, YouTube? So today's video is going to be pretty short and simple. I'm installing a grill on the car, an MP Concept. Yeah, MP Concept grill. It's going to open up the air vents on the car. I'm going to go outside and show y'all right now what I'm talking about. But it's going to open up the air vents on the car, and I think it'll help get airflow into the car, or into the filters at least. It's pretty much going to eliminate this vent right here and just open up the whole thing completely. It's going to take out the Mustang, and again it's going to open up that vent right there. So what I'm hoping to do, or what I'm hoping to gain from that, is allowing more airflow to get into my air filters. But it's in there. I'll show y'all in a second once I get it out of there. I'm going to strap up a GoPro to my chest. Just bought this. You're going to get pretty much a point of view of me doing the whole thing, and I'm gonna leave the camera mounted up outside at the front. So I'm gonna be switching angles, so bear with me if it looks a little funky or janky. Trying something out new. But I'm turning the camera back on once I get back outside to start taking off this grill, or start taking off the bumper. Thank you, goodbye.
You're welcome.
No nails. Good. Don't know. One, two, three, four. Twist, pull up. Come on. Come to Papa. There. Oh shoot, it was still in there. That's crazy.
Hey, mama told me never give a bitch a chance.
Sounds like a bitch.
Never speak with hate, so I tell her have a nice life. And with my diamonds like a lethal way, ain't no nightlight. They watching what I'm doing every day, my life like highlights. Put off in that V8 and you put up in there a light. Start off with your bitch, I got it going on. She said she can't take dick, but she holding on. Yeah, and I ride with Zaza, we be smoking strong. Mama told me never give a bitch a bone. Yeah, put her on a plane cause she ain't never flown. Yeah, that drip is just my diamonds, ain't no running nose. Yeah, these diamonds around my neck, they look like sun kids. Leave the caution, send my diamonds blinding when
Shoot the lights. That's the new one right there. Very big hole. Very nice. Then that light is for the light that's sitting right there, so that one a whole lot better, and it's getting rid of that Mustang. So I think that Mustang is getting ugly. Want to stand out, be a little different, but the main point of this is so more airflow can get to the air filters instead of being blocked off, and only 2 or 3 of these holes are allowing a lot of air to get into there. So I feel like it'll make a huge difference, but we'll find out sooner or later. I know when they sent it off, you can't really see it. There's like a little paint mess up right there. I called them, they gave me like $100 back. Oh, that doesn't sit flush. Whenever it's supposed to be like that. They gave me like $100 back. which I ordered a splitter, chain splitter for this, so that'll be in soon. I'll show y'all what that looks like later. So, yeah.
I don't want no 20s, just want 50s and 100s. She just wanna party till her friends they can come in. Please don't get us started, cause my niggas get it jumping. In here with Lil Devo, and you know he get the dumping. Yeah, and I call her ecstasy, yo bitch be buzzing. Yeah, I left with no bags, came home with too much luggage. Yeah, all this gold on me, they think I'm on the nuggets. Yeah, if it ain't nothing good to say, I won't say nothing. Never speak with hate, so I tell them have a nice life. And my life is like a little way, ain't no nightlife. They watching what I'm doing every day, my life like highlights. Put up in that V8, then you put up in that red light. Start off with your bitch, I got it going on. She said she can't take it, but she holding on. Yeah, and I ride with Zaza, we be smoking strong. Mama told me never give a bitch a bone.
These are the two side by side. I don't even know if you can see it right there. Sit it down right here and right here. It's definitely a big difference. That's opened up a lot. I think I like the Mustang being going even better. Oh.
Yeah, serve you with a spatula. This candy coated immaculate. You tuck down and we smack your shit. I still be on my fashion shit. This good up and I'm testing it. That walk hard, I be having it. This charger get to dragging quick. And I'm gon' do what I want. Walked up out of Gucci just to hit St. Laurent. And that bitch already know. I'm gon' spin it. I'm gon' spin it.
Hey, pouring Remy Martin all in the bitch. All my vegan friends hate me, I got mink on the coat. This a V12 engine, so my seats on the floor. When you know I'm finna blow, so I had to link with C4. Yeah, you got good hit, but I don't think I'm finna post it. Cruising in the Benz, but we skirting in the Rover. Yeah, and I'm gon' do what I want. She said she like my drip and the way that I front.
And that bitch already know. I'm gon' spin it. I'm gon' spin it. This good up, I ain't matching ya. Serve you with a spatula. This candy coated immaculate. You tuck down and we smack your shit. I still be on my fashion shit. This good up and I'm testing it. That walk hard, I be having it. This charger get to dragging quick. And I'm gon' do what I want.
Oh shit. You don't go in there. Fuck. I need to drop the car. I need to plug the battery back in. It's been a few days since I installed the grill on the car, and I've had some time to test drive it and test out my theory of whether the grill would allow more airflow into the filters, and it turns out that it did. So what I noticed is that the grill is allowing, of course, more airflow to hit the filters, and the inlet temperature of the filters or the inlet temperature of the air that's going into the motor is really cooling down faster to the outside ambient air temperature rather than what it was before, when I noticed it would take a longer time for it to cool down overall. The looks of it definitely helped out and improved a lot. Besides like the fact that, of course, this is opened up a whole lot more and that's a lot closed. I think getting rid of the Mustang really helped out a lot with just looks in my perspective. I feel like it gives it more of that aggressive look, and that's pretty much what I'm going for. I did mention that I was gonna get a lip on the car. I have been looking at some, and I seen one. I think it's the RTR one that I like. I didn't order that one, so maybe next week or end of this week, I'm gonna see if I like the one that I ordered. I ordered a 3-piece one, but I don't know if I'm gonna go through with it because a lot of people have been telling me that it'll just probably fall off. I didn't have an issue when I installed one on my Camaro, but of course this car is different. And one thing I did realize is that my Camaro was not lowered when I first installed it. So don't know if I'm gonna do that yet. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope y'all like and enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more, because like I always say, it's more in store. But I hope y'all liked and enjoyed the video. Comment down below what you want to see next, and like the video, of course, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all.
Yeah, that drip is just my diamonds, ain't no running nose. Yeah, these diamonds around my neck, they look like sun kids. Leave the cautious on my diamonds blinding when the sun hit.